Tiny Nespresso Essenza Mini makes great espresso, just like expensive machines. Easy to use, great coffee, and tons of support. What more could you want? Bialetti Moka Express. It's especially simple to use, and it brews rich, flavorful coffee. Bialetti Moka Express was the best, in terms of both function and fashion. This pot has a simple design, so it's easy to use and clean, and it brews smooth-tasting coffee. With its Art Deco-inspired shape, it looks chic on any countertop, too. Love hot coffee that stays hot? The Espro P6 French press is your new best friend. Double-walled for insulation, it brews smooth, grit-free coffee and keeps it warm for hours. Plus, no bitter aftertaste, press it once and you're done. Easy cleaning too, dishwasher safe. Bodum Pavina glasses, hot stays hot, cold stays cold. Double-walled keeps drinks perfect and comfy to hold. Dishwasher, microwave, freezer safe, win. Calling all coffee lovers. This Cuisinart Gooseneck kettle is the perfect pour-over partner. Super precise spout and temperature control for amazing coffee, plus it looks great on your counter. Trust us, your coffee-loving friend will geek out.